Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check if proximity sensor is working on the POCO M8. So if you feel like your proximity sensor, which is a sensor that detects when you're holding your phone close next to your ear, for example, when you're calling someone, and when you feel like your proximity sensor isn't working as well, so for example you pull your phone back from the ear and you look at it and still in black screen, what you can do is check if it is actually working. And to do that, we can go to the settings and then scroll down to about phone, or just find that option, and then scroll down again to detailed info and specs, and then just find the kernel version and just tap on that until a new menu opens up. So there we go. This menu allows you to conduct tests on pretty much all of the features that the phone has. So like colors, receivers, speakers. But what we're looking for is the proximity sensor test. So there we go. And this is the proximity sensor test. We're going to tap on that. And all you need to do is just simulate phone call and ear operation. So just bring your phone close next to your ear, and it's going to tell you whether it's actually working well or not. So I'm just going to use my hand instead. And once you pull back, it should detect if it actually worked. Okay, well, it looks like my hand's not working. I'm going to actually have to do this. There we go. Once we pull back, it's going to either say pass or something else. And if it's okay, you can tap OK. But if it's an error, you can tap error. So once you tap error, it's going to light up in a different color, and it's going to say fail. So what you can do is just bring your phone, either just wipe the surface with some sort of microfiber cloth like that. Just wipe the top of the phone like that. Or what you can do is bring it to some sort of person who can fix this, and just that might help you fix the phone. That's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.